Alright, this is Zhang Daming here. This April, our brand new Procreate 4 is about to go on sale, and we've actually just received our first shipment of them. So let's take a moment to examine the key differences between these two. What exactly is the main additional feature?
It has an additional lens, but it's still essentially just one. I hear they're going to release a Pro Series. From the online images I've seen, the Pro Series has two lenses, so that should be pretty accurate. We haven't received any stock of the Pro Series yet. This screen, let me take a look, it's slightly larger, and there's an extra button here. An extra button, do you see it? These two joysticks are the same, and starting to shoot photos is also the same. Then let's see what other tools are included inside. It includes a storage bag. Our standard version didn't have one before, and this gimbal clamp. Before we had a protective cover, but now it's a gimbal clamp. And inside there's nothing else. A 1/4-inch handle, a hand strap, a charger, and the camera body.
Before, an extra manual was included. Yeah, no major changes. For us regular people, not big name bloggers, I think the DJI Procreate 3 is a great value to buy right now. At just over $2,000, you can wait until we start pre-orders for the DJI Procreate 4.